She's such a prima donna when it comes to this podcast.
Wait, okay, we're not. Okay, the dog is loud. You have to start over.
No, I don't. You come in every podcast like you're being dropped off by a limousine. You do.
We cannot do this with the dog. I can hear in the background of the videos.
With your sunglasses on. No, it's fine. I'm talking over it. I am talking over it.
Okay.
All right. Welcome back.
Oh, is it going?
Yeah, it's been recording since I sat down.
Oh, whoops. Okay.
Welcome back to the Day Just Divorced podcast. Please
like, subscribe, and share.
And hit the notification bell. So what are we going to get into today? Well, we're going to get into a lot of shit today, especially with you Brits.
We can't.
Why is it every time I do the podcast, this dog wants to come drink out of the trough every time? And you didn't check the light. No, we don't have to. This is your one job. She's such a prima donna when it comes to this podcast.
Wait, okay, we're not. Okay, the dog is loud. You have to start over.
No, I don't. You come in every podcast like you're being dropped off by a limousine. You do.
We cannot do this with the dog. I can hear in the background of the videos.
With your sunglasses on. No, it's fine. I'm talking over it. I am talking over it. You come in with your sunglasses on like you're ready for shoot one on an Academy Award winning movie, like you're in the freaking MCU or something.
What's MCU?
The Marvel Comic Universe or whatever it is, Cinematic Universe. And you get fed. You're like, first thing you come over is like, I want ice cream. Do you have a rider that comes along with this podcast?
Okay. The reason I wanted ice cream is why.
You plop your ass down. Okay. You sit here, and while I'm running around putting the lights up, I'm doing all this shit. You get fed. You're like,
okay, why did I want ice cream?
Because the ice cream man,
and I asked you for money.
Crack dude is driving around the neighborhood.
He came out of my house earlier, and I was like, so he's like, I want ice cream, and I said, well, honey, do you think he takes Google Pay? And she's like, no, Mom, he does not take Google Pay. I was very upset though because I wanted ice cream, so you gave me ice cream. Okay, so I want to talk about a couple things.
Okay.
But okay, it's gonna be cheese rolling day though.
Cheese rolling day, yes. I have been looking forward to this for like a week since I've heard about it. But they said this was 600-year tradition, so...
Yeah, so I'm really excited.
We're excited to see what this is all about.
Okay, so this cheese rolling thing, we're excited to learn about it. It's a compilation, and it says it's 10 minutes of mayhem.
10 minutes of mayhem. I like the sound of that.
Yes, mayhem. Okay, so let's do it.
Let's get into the cheese rolling. They're on a hill.
Okay, so who's the...
Are they on a hill?
So there's some guy who throws some cheese. Oh my gosh!
Oh shit! Oh my god!
He just keeps rolling! He's like the Energizer Bunny, and he just like...
Was he the first one down?
People? Yeah, but is that how you win? You just...
I don't know.
You roll down the hill, and who gets there first? Nobody caught any cheese.
Oh my god.
Where is the cheese even at? And who are these people down here with the vest?
They're safety people, I guess.
How do you get that job?
What the fuck?
Okay, there's the dignitary guy again. Dignitary guy? Yeah.
Who's that?
Well, he looks like some kind of dignitary. Don't you have to be like...
A dignitary? Wait. A dignitary at a cheese rolling competition.
Well, he's wearing a fancy...
probably 30 yards wide with 15 people at max running down a hill. Whoa, no. You're saying that they called the government up and said, hey, we need to get somebody down here to the cheese wheel rolling festival, and he's a dignitary?
Well, who else would do it? Like the mayor or something.
What?
I think it's the mayor.
I highly doubt.
I mean, he's wearing a white coat, and he's got a nice fancy hat on.
That guy who's actually rolling the cheese down there.
Yeah, the dignitary guy.
Oh my god.
Okay, just play the video. I want to see what happens. So basically,
you talking about the guy in the white?
The dignitary guy.
He's not a dignitary.
He is.
All right, whatever. He's probably
just keep. All right. Okay, look at. So do you have to roll down? Oh.
No, I don't think you have to. I think it's how you can get down there the fastest you can. Oh shit. There's got to be broken bones and broken necks and all kinds of shit.
Okay.
Torn ligaments.
How do you get that? What kind of training does it entail?
None. You have to have the mindset of the cast of Jackass to do this. I'm surprised the guys from Jackass didn't do this. Okay.
Where's that guy's shirt? Is he wearing his shirt on his pant, on his legs?
I don't know, but they look very interesting.
See, dignitary. He looks important.
He looks like a...
Okay, so is it women versus men? Oh, why is she on her bottom? What if they're
that's all women
rocks?
on that.
Do they clear the field for
I
rocks?
don't know what they do. I don't even know if they do it at the same place every year. Jesus, that's gotta hurt.
Oh,
Look at her.
but why is she flailing her
Oh my
legs like
God,
that? Is there some kind of...
she just cut her off. Holy shit.
So there's a bunch of guys standing down at the bottom. Who are those people?
They are the ones who I think they're probably there to help them stop, and then to help them if they have any injuries to call over real paramedics.
It seems like you tuck and roll. See, that girl's tucking.
Would.
That one girl had her arms out. Looks like you could break stuff
if you don't make it down there first, then you just wasted your time.
Yeah, why are you even trying anymore? Just get up and walk slowly down the way. Is there a second prize?
I think there's a pride to say you did this because it's a 600-year tradition. Aunt Jemima. Ireland. Oh, they probably pissed the English off.
Jemima. Is that her name?
Jemima is her name. Yeah.
See, dignitary.
So actually, she will be called Aunt Jemima.
Why is that person? Who's the person who's holding the cheese right now?
That's what I'm saying. That's what I thought you were talking about. Not the dignitary. This is probably some kid who won a raffle.
Yeah, but that guy looks like the dignitary. He didn't go down the hill.
Okay. Whatever.
And see, look.
Sorry about the. What the fuck, dude? Why hasn't somebody... They probably don't know what kind of injuries they have until after.
I mean, the way they go down with reckless abandon. I read somewhere that some girl got a concussion but won anyway.
Oh, fuck. Oh, did you see that dude just take a dive at the very last?
No.
Oh, jeez.
So, look how muddy he is.
He doesn't know where he is. He looks like he just got off work. You know, like he was a welder or something. It's like he lives there.
Welder.
Now this guy, he looks like he's probably from Japan, and he came there specifically, kind of like the running of the bulls. He's coming there for the rolling of the cheese.
To come to the rolling.
I mean, he looks like Mr. Miyagi.
Oh no, that guy's smart. Look who he's wearing. He's actually wearing. Yeah, and he's got a tie on his back.
I don't know that he's prepped. I mean, that's about as prepped as you can get.
Dignitary.
It's not a dignitary.
I think it is. We're gonna look that up.
There's the cheese coming now. Oh my God. That guy's booking it. Oh shit. You know that hurt. Oh my God. Dude, he got up and still did. Good on you.
Look how happy he is.
Oh my God.
He broke anything.
Oh my, I don't know. I think he watched. Maybe he's taking that path. He might be a local or something.
Oh, so there's no.
He probably knows which path you should take because there's huge divots.
There's apparently no dress code for this. Apparently.
You think there would be a dress code for something like this?
Well, I mean, you have a uniform or something, but I mean, everybody just wears whatever they want.
Don't we already do that? Brilliant. Oh, offsides, penalty on that guy. He can't win. Look at that guy, his little legs. Oh, shit.
So,
oh, my God.
These guys down at the bottom.
Oh, dude, you're going to break your freaking neck.
So, do they have to, catch them? You're catching a rolling person. What kind of training do they have for that?
None.
They just, throw, bags of flour at them or something for training?
They got experience from last year, maybe?
I don't know. It seems like those guys could get hurt.
Yeah.
But they're is it a volunteer position? Is it a paid position?
I think it's a volunteer position.
I have so many questions.
I have a lot of questions myself.
One of which is what's going on with our sound.
Yeah.
There we go. So you don't catch the cheese.
No, he looks like the Jesus lizard.
He does.
Shit.
Come on, buddy.
Right on his face.
He made it.
He did really good.
He beat everybody down. Oh!
Snap. Oh, dude. You guys
He's trying to catch himself. He's doing his hand. He's like a plane landing. You know how you put the wings out?
Yeah. You guys are out of your fucking minds. He's the one who took the face dive.
Is he?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's what I say. Looks like the Jesus lizard.
He's got
the Jesus lizard runs on the water.
Oh shit! But he won by one.
Oh my God. Yeah, he won by a large
Those ones that
margin.
rolled over each other, I'm pretty sure they got hurt.
I think I got a false start, but he didn't win anyway. I think a lot of this is just bragging rights to say, you know what? I went to
Look at that guy.
I went to England and I did the cheese
He
rolling.
looks like he's fresh out of a 90s movie.
Yeah, I think that's a chick though.
Oh.
Okay, it's whatever. It doesn't matter.
And she looks like she's fresh
Very,
out of a
very
90s movie.
gothic.
Did you see him catch? Look at that girl's back there like, I'll catch them if they come this far.
Yeah.
See? Dignitary.
It's not a
You're wearing a hat like that. That looks like that leg got broken. Look at that. The leg's behind her.
That's
What kind of insurance do you get on this kind of thing?
She made it. Oh shit! Go girl, go!
He's like, you made it.
All right.
You can stop now.
Oh
You
my
have won the
God.
cheese.
She's
Like, we're going to take her to the
Is it worth
infirmary.
it?
Sure, you won the
I'm-
cheese, but you have a limp for the rest of your life.
Yeah.
Well,
I didn't
she
know.
wearing-
I didn't know
where's that leg
Elvis.
coming
It's
from?
an extra leg. He's got 3 legs.
He does not have 3
I didn't
legs.
know Elvis entered this race too.
I would want to keep everything covered. Like going
I
barefoot.
think when you know you're not going to win, that's when people are just like, okay, I'm just going to take it easy.
But
That guy's going full tilt boogie.
what is it called when you get like road rash or something?
It's called road rash.
Okay.
Dumbass.
Okay. See, somebody gets to roll the cheese, but the military calls it.
Oh wow, he actually rolled it well.
Yeah, he almost caught it.
Wait, is that the Jesus Lizard dude again? What the?
You can't go
You
more
can't
than
go
once.
twice. He's already won. He looked like an older man too.
Oh,
They are booking it down there now.
here we go.
They are booking it down that hill.
The mayor's calling the thing. I want to know who gets to roll the cheese too. Like that has to be like a honored position. Look, he's wearing his shirt on his head.
He's grabbing the dude. Are they
they're-
going together? Maybe they're
What's
friends.
happening? What is
Oh
happening?
Jesus! Now they're holding on to each other. That is hilarious.
That mark on his back is probably.
I don't
for
think
the
that's
stars.
a mark. I think that's a tattoo. No, maybe it is. Maybe it's from the grass. I don't know.
They're like, down. We're going down
I couldn't
together.
you know what? I would do this in my 20s, but I
Because you're
wouldn't do.
stupid in your 20s.
Yeah, I wouldn't do this now because I would break
You would
every
think,
bone in my
you
body.
think I'm
I mean,
going to be walking with a limp forever.
Yeah, I mean, I already have back problems. You think I'm going to do something like this? I don't.
Yeah.
I mean,
I think.
I would walk
What do you think
down
the most
there.
common injury from something like this?
broken arms, collarbone, probably. Yeah, concussions. I would say concussions.
Okay.
Sprained
Collarbone,
necks.
Ankles, sprained ankles.
Sprained ankles.
Knee.
I would say knees, collarbone.
Oh,
Oh, your butt bone, your tailbone.
I want to look up.
Oh.
That's what I want to look up. How many? Like what?
I
are
would
the
say
injuries?
concussions have probably got to be the biggest one.
Oh,
Oh, God. Oh, do you get to the bottom and they just ragdoll you? When you get to the bottom, then they just throw you down again? Ooh.
that looks like a little kid rolling down. You know how like
Oh my
little
God,
kids.
she's hurt as shit. Oh, that's how I'd be. I would be so gingerly running down that hill.
Yeah.
I'm too old.
think she's
I
down.
would break something, most definitely.
Just like cheese roller
You guys
down.
have been doing this shit for 600 years?
Cheese roller down. Oh!
Or did it hit somebody? I'm sorry, I was looking at
No,
the camera.
it was that one guy on the left over there.
That is so not worth breaking a bone for if you don't win.
Well, but you have cheese bragging rights. Look how many people there are. Are those the spectators?
No, you're
in the
kind of
back?
right. Yeah, they're spectators. So you're kind of right. If you go to the Cheese Rolling Festival and you don't participate in it, then it's like, oh, you just went to watch it? Yeah. You didn't participate? No. Then it's kind of like, whatever. So you went.
I want to go to the
you
cheese
actually
rolling.
have to participate in it to get any kind of bragging rights.
Okay.
to go
But look at
along
all the
with it.
spectators, like on the
I know
side
there's a
there.
shit ton. They've been doing it for 600 years, is what the guy said.
This is a great recommendation. Whoever recommended this, I think a few people recommended this.
Yeah.
You guys are geniuses.
Yeah,
This
more
is
than
awesome.
one person recommended it.
How
See,
many person
concussion probably.
I don't.
It's my bro, man. It's my bro. He's down.
Like, and what kind of? I want to know like what kind of medical training these people have. They got backpacks. That looks important.
Yeah, that looks important. I wonder if they treat them differently than they do in the U.S.
Like, what do you mean?
Like in the U.S., it'd be like, oh, you did something stupid, didn't you? You did. It was dumb, wasn't it? Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, we're going to go ahead and take you to the hospital, and it's going to cost a lot of money because you did what? Something stupid.
Okay.
And it's going to cost you what? A lot of money. But since they've been doing this for 600 years, they're like, yo, mate, 600 years of tradition, you've got it.
Okay, this is awesome.
It's
my new favorite sport. Is this a sport?
Seen.
If it is, it's my new favorite sport. I love it. I give cheese rolling a thumbs up for sure. I want to go watch cheese rolling. I've got that on my list now. I've got a life list. I gotta find my notebook and write witness cheese rolling.
Yeah, 2 enthusiastic thumbs up. So it's 2 of the coolest things that we've seen.
We need to get cheese rolling.
Other than Messi was the Isle of Man, which
that's
the
amazing.
British, it's amazing. We obviously know now that is in between Ireland and England, and we know you guys have some kind of turf war going on, and neither of you want to claim the Isle of Man for whatever reason. That's fine. We're not getting into your politics. That and the cheese rolling, you guys are out of your fucking minds, man. You're crazy, and I love it. So I want to see more of this stuff because all it does is make me want to go visit England and not do the tourist stuff.
Yeah, I want to
go see the fringe stuff you guys do, the tertiary, the things that nobody knows about. The things you do in your daily
lives that it's awesome.
Yeah, I don't want to go to Europe and go to McDonald's. I want to go to Europe and go to I want to go to the slaughtered lamb. That's where I want to go. I want to go to the slaughtered lamb.
I think we should try to get Bonnaroo to add the cheese rolling.
Dude, I don't know, man, with the liability and all. That's why it just blows my mind that you guys do this crazy stuff. Now, we do stupid crap.
And to go from like never having heard of this ever to like this now. Yeah, I feel like my brain, you guys are expanding our experiences in our minds. It's awesome. Some other things you guys suggested, so we're going to be looking at. Okay. Do you remember what they were?
Something was bog snorkeling.
And then there's some other things you guys have suggested.
Yeah, because you guys are out of your fucking minds.
No,
that's why.
I don't think that. I think you guys are fantastic.
I know. I mean, in a good way.
Yeah.
You're out of your minds in the best way possible.
Yes, in the coolest way possible.
All
right, thank you for joining us. Please like, subscribe, and share,
and hit the notification bell. And we will catch you on the next podcast.
Yes, see what we get into next.
Oh, we're going to get into some crazy stuff because if it takes place in Britain or in Europe, then it's got to be.
We love it.
Nuts.
We are loving it.
Yeah, it's got to be nuts. We love it. All right, catch you on the next podcast.